Hey, this is Laya Gavin from Exit Realty Sun City. I just want to thank you for coming out last night to our home buyers credit mastery event last night at Twisted Main Salon. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hope you got some great information because there was a lot of it going around the room. So if you need something, no, we talked about credit mastery. We talked about improving your credit. We talked about credit protection, LifeLock programs. We talked about debt elimination programs. We talked about financial planning. So we're talking 401k rollovers, IRAs, investments, building a legacy for your family's future, refinancing your property, using money, grant money to be able to purchase another property. We talked about investment rental property. And most importantly, we talked about leaving a legacy and multiple income streams. So if it's a financial need that you have, raise your hand, come speak to us, because one of us on our team either has it that we can offer to you, or we can get somebody in touch with you to get your question answered. Okay? So give us a call. 623-340-7067 is my direct number. Call or text me and I'll be happy to pass it on. All right? Take care.